Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you my new HUGO BOSS watch. So here's the box here. So I'm going to unbox this right here, right in front of you guys, and see how this watch looks. So let's get started. So here's the box. It says BOSS, and then underneath it says HUGO BOSS. The back, it has something like a sticker, whatever they put for the material that watch contains in there. So let's open it up. Here you go. Ta-da! Here is the watch. You can see it's an analog gold tone. There's the inside of the box here. So let me take this out from here. Okay, it comes with this soft cushion, some paperwork. It talks about, I think it's about the watch and all those things, and warranty, and that's pretty much it in the box here. So here's the watch. Let me bring it close to you guys. It's an analog watch. It's gold tone. You can see stainless steel bracelet. Here's a tag. Let me remove the tag for now so it doesn't interrupt. Right, here you go. So it comes with the plastic on the top, so let me remove this here, and it has some plastic on the bracelet. So I'm just going to talk about the details. So let me remove this packing from here. So I think I removed pretty much everything. Yep, here you go. So let me show you this to you without the plastic cover on it. So here you go. Here it how it looks. So let me try to adjust the image so you can see it nice and clear. So it has 3 inner dials here. So there is one for the day of the week, starting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and here is the date. And this is one for the 24-hour clock setup. So 3 dials, and it has only 1 crown. Just to pull this is going to be the same thing that you have to use to adjust the time, and also adjust, you can see the inner. I am trying to adjust the date here. So this one thing will work pretty much for 3 inner dials. Here's the back. And this is how it closes on the back. The band, it has a logo here, HUGO BOSS written on it, and you can see here it's gold plated or gold tone, whatever you call it. So what I like in this watch is the watch is 42 mm diameter, the size of the dial here, and it's pretty sleek and looks awesome. When you put this on your wrist for a party or a formal dress, this is going to stand out. And it's pretty simple. It looks simple, and as you know, most of the expensive watches or the brands, they don't make those big dials or 50 mm or bulky watches. They make simple and sleek and small so that they stand out. So this is how it looks. The dial itself, I think it's all gold tone, along with the this stainless steel band here. The inside is I would say like a bluish color with HUGO written with white, and it has you can remove the links from here if you have to adjust your band to the size that fits you. But to me it's pretty easy to do it. I think if you have a small screwdriver, or most of the tiny little screwdrivers have a sharp edge that you can use and remove those links from here. So anyways, so here it is how it looks. Let me put this on my wrist here. I'm going to wear it right here in front of you guys the first time, and here you go. So this is how it looks on the wrist. And this is, you can see it's like kind of loose to me, but you know, I'm going to remove at least 1 2 3, maybe 3 links from here, so it does fit and sturdy on my hand here. But this is how it looks. So there you go. Here is my brand new watch, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you have any questions, if you like to know more details about the model, and you know, more details about anything specific to this watch, please do comment, and also make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.